Hello everyone, my name is Jamero Jared Gabriel Payne A, and I'm from 10th Ptolemy. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to graph a polynomial function. First, what is graphing a polynomial function? Graphing a polynomial function is drawing its curves on a graph to see how it rises, falls, and crosses the x-axis. It shows the function's turning points, intercepts, and end behavior. Here, our problem, x cubed, px is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 13x plus 15. Step 1. Root factor. The root factor of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. It can be positive or negative when doing a synthetic division. Here, step 2. Synthetic division. Here I use negative x minus 5, so it will become positive 5. Now copy the first one, 1, negative 3, negative 13, and positive 15. Saan ba natin nakuha yon? Dito sa ating problem na given. Our x is 1, negative 3x, negative 13x, and positive 15. So here, bring 1. 1 times 5 is equals to 5. Negative 3 plus 5 is equals to 2. Negative 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Negative 13 plus 10 is equals to negative 3. Negative 3 times 5 is equals to negative 15. Positive 15 plus negative 15 is equals to 0. So, this is our first graph. X squared, babawasan na ng isa, x squared plus 2x. Dito yon 2. Negative 3x. Dito yon. So, here, factor x over x, 3 over minus 1, or negative 1. Dapat, ang kakalabasan nito ay yung gitna, and that's 2x. So, meron ulit tayo, x plus 3 at x minus 1. Now, we have our px. Px is equals to x minus 5, x minus 1, x plus 3. Step 3. X and y intercept. X intercept y equals 0. X minus 5. So that is our given. X minus 5, x minus 1, x plus 3. Now, x minus 5 is equals to 0. It will become a positive. So that's x equals positive 5. 5 and 0. X minus 1 equals to 0. Pabaliktarin lang, magiging positive. 1 and 0. X plus 3 is equals to 0. Pabaliktarin, magiging negative. Negative 3 and 0. Now, y-intercept x equals 0. Dito, papalitan natin ang mga x ng 0. So, x minus 5, x minus 1, x plus 3. 0 minus 5, 0 minus 1, 0 plus 3. Ang kakalabasan niya, negative 5, negative 1, and positive 3. Pag pinag-add lahat yan, ang kakalabasan ay 15. So, 0 and 15. Here our x value or table sign. X is greater than negative 5, and that is, our x there is negative 4. X is greater than negative 5 but less than negative 1. our x here is negative 2. X is greater than negative 1 but less than positive 3, or x is greater than positive 3. Our answer is x equals 2 or x equals 4. Now, here, papalitan natin ng x ang ng negative 4. Saan nakuha negative 4? Dito. Una, magkakasunod na yan. So, negative 4 minus 5, negative 4 minus 1, negative 4 plus 3, and our answer there is negative 9, negative 5, and negative 1. Pag pinag-add or multiply, our answer is negative 45. So, negative 4 and negative 45 are below. Negative 2, negative 5, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, and positive 3. Our answer there is negative 2 minus 5, negative 2 minus negative 5 is equals to positive 7. So, negative 2 minus 1 is equals to negative 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is equals to positive 1. Y is, pag pinagsama yan, yung kasagutan ay 21. So, 0 and 21. Above sila. Now, last, y equals to 2 minus 5, 2 minus 1, 2 plus 3. Ang ating kasagutan dyan ay negative 3, positive 1, and 5. 2 minus 5 is equals to negative 3. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. 2 plus 3, 5. Answer, 15 and it's below. 2 and 15, below sila. Now, here our graph of x minus 5, x minus 1, and x plus 3. That's all. Thank you.